Oh, the word nude. That gives me promise I will like and enjoy this. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you are curious what is in the Trendmood Nabla Takeover box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, I am super excited. I have been trying to nab a Trendmood box for months now. You have to go on a waiting list, and then they send you an email, and they sell out so quickly. I don't know how I was able to do this. I switched it so that the emails went to my work account instead of my personal account, because every time when I got off work and would log in, they were well sold out. So, hopefully this was a good box. It cost $44, and then there was like 98 cents for some kind of shipping protection. No tax and no shipping fee other than whatever that 98 cents covers. So, it was $44.98. We'll call it $45 box. Let's dig in and see if it was worth the wait, or if it's been hyped up and I was like, why did I think this would be spectacular? All right, this is what, okay, so inside here it comes with tissue, and it says Nabla. Nabla is an Italian indie makeup brand. All right, inside the tissue is bubble wrap, and then we have the products. So I'm going to select the first item. And this is also well packaged. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm hoping this is a bag that has brushes inside. It's a very pretty, like if burgundy and rose gold had a baby and were very shiny. Yes, I was right. Ooh, we got a whole bunch of eye brushes. All right, so we received 8 brushes, and they are all very soft, and they are all for your eyes. That is a really good item. Plus a very cute bag for the brushes with a nice zipper. All right, on to the next item. All right, what is this? Nabla Ruby Lights Glitter Palette. Oh, they weren't kidding when they said glitter. Holy cow. That is some shiny glitter. It doesn't, on camera, it does not do it justice. It is super shimmery bright. There's like a purpley duochrome with like some silvery green flicks here. A rose gold, coppery, and this is more burgundy, rosy gold, and then a gold, and they all are duochrome, where there is a base color and then a shimmery secondary color. I am not super into glitteries, but so this may be in a future giveaway, but that is quite lovely. All right, on to the next item. What is this? We have a mascara. I'm getting a lot of mascaras in my boxes lately. Only one has ever been waterproof. This here is Major Pleasure. This is what the wand looks like. This is a vegan mascara in the shade, it doesn't say, but it's definitely black. All right. We only wish it were waterproof, so this will be put aside for a future giveaway. On to the last item. We have a palette of some sort. I presume this will be eyeshadow. Side-by-side nude palette. Oh, the word nude. That gives me promise I will like and enjoy this. I can only figure out how to open up the... There we go. Okay. won't pick up on camera, but this is actually kind of textured a little bit. Please be good. Oh, it does come with a mirror. It's many very tiny pans. That's what my O was about. I was not expecting, for some reason I thought there'd be like 9 circular pans similar to Color Pop or something. We are getting here 16 tiny little eyeshadow pans. There is a good mix of matte and shimmers. This is more on the cool tone side than warm side in my opinion. There are some kind of gray, blue shades down here. Even the pinks are a little cooler in tone, and the browns don't seem to be super warm. When I heard neutral, this is not what popped into my head. But it is, I guess, neutral-ish. There's just a lot more darker shades in here. When I think neutral, I think neutral. Anyways, it is quite lovely. Comment down below if anyone has ever tried a product from Nabla before, and give your thoughts. Also, let me know if you've been lucky enough to snag a Trendmood box before, and is it possible this was available because people aren't into Nabla, and that's why I got lucky? Or was I super lucky and Nabla's hot and you're jealous that I got this? I honestly am not familiar with this brand. Comment down below and let me know if I scored big or sucker, you paid $44 for that crap. I honestly don't know. Alright, I'm going to list on the screen the retail prices for each item that was in the box, and let's see if this was worth $44. I will say that the box from when I ordered it to when it got packaged up, shipped, and delivered to my door was very quick. The same day I ordered it, it was shipped out, and I received it, I think, 2 days later. So that part, I was very impressed. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who are subscribed, thank you so much. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of future videos, and leave me a comment and click that thumbs up. That would really make my day. All right, thanks everyone.